Wow, it's beautiful. Unreal. Hard to believe that they're calling for a tropical cyclone in a couple days. No, probably not coming. I mean, I did see the track on the Weather Channel and Florida just got ravaged and it's coming up the coastline right to us. Probably not though. No, not here. 90-kilometer winds and 50 millimeters of rain. We've never had tropical storms. And usually they just put cyclone warnings on for fun, right? I mean, after all, we live on an island. That doesn't happen to people that live on an island. The storm's name is Elsa. That's a Disney princess. Like, that's cute. 50 millimeters of rain plus? That's like that in a glass. Should we be prepared? I think we're probably already prepared. Probably slip into Tim's for a coffee that morning. We're talking millimeters, right? That's the smallest form of measurement when you're talking about weather. We'll be all right. I'm not worried about it. You shouldn't be. Probably won't come. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Anyway, probably not coming. Probably not gonna happen. Probably won't come. Probably not coming. Probably not coming. Maybe. I'm not going to tie any of my patio furniture down. I'll bring more out actually. I do have a swing set out for the kids. Maybe I'll get them on the swing set and they'll get more air. If there's winds, there probably won't be. I remember the last tropical cyclone we had was a little bit less winds and less rain. And it caused a lot of damage, cost me a lot of money. But I don't think the winds were spinning as much. So I think there's some science behind that. I think it probably makes the trees a little tougher when that happens. So this time I'll probably park the cars closer to the trees.